Are your Nintendo Switch Lite volume buttons not responding? Don't worry, this is a common issue and can happen because of software glitches, stuck buttons, or sometimes hardware problems. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. Try a force reboot. Press and hold the power button of your Switch for 15 seconds. Yes, count it out. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 15. Then release the button. Wait a second. Now press the power button once normally for 2 seconds. After that, try the volume buttons again. This method works when the switch is frozen or not responding properly. Solution 2. Test in recovery mode. Use your power button to power off your switch completely. Now, press and hold the volume up plus volume down plus power button all at the same time. Keep holding until the recovery mode screen appears. If the screen comes up, it means your volume buttons still work physically. From here, you can exit out and restart the system normally. But if the recovery mode does not show up, your buttons are definitely broken or faulty. So, you will need to take your Switch to a repair shop to fix it. But just because your volume button doesn't work, it doesn't mean you still can't adjust your volume. It's actually pretty easy to do. Just press and hold onto the home button of your Nintendo Switch for 2-3 seconds. And then, quick settings menu will show up. You can easily adjust your volume from here. Just move the slider to your likings to adjust your volume. And that's how you fix volume buttons not working on your Nintendo Switch Lite. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which solution worked for you. Stay tuned for more quick Nintendo Switch Lite fixes.